corpses for as little
right.
as $25. Whoa, whoa!
Who the hell is that trying to connect?
Great. Now we got a random guy in here.
Who the hell is that? Why
What
is
the hell is that noise?
That noise?
Oh my god.
Is that his mic?
I think it is.
Dude, get him out of here! Get him out of here!
How?
I don't know!
That is terrible.
What is that noise?
I think it's El Chupa.
Why is he a clone of fucking Seamus?
Oh, I was just gonna say.
Oh.
Why is that
We
noise?
can't play with this guy.
It's like he's on his moped. He's got like his mobile.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know.
Terrible.
How do you boot someone?
I don't know.
Game lobby.
Wait, go to players. Oh.
I'll
Wait.
bet.
Yeah, there goes. Look. Start vote.
Yeah, how do you do that? Okay.
Get the fuck out of here with that weird ass noise.
Okay, the guy from the moped. He was driving his moped, playing on his like Android.
He's going to pick up the spoon.
What the hell was
That is
that?
terrible. That's like radio gun status.
Ew.
Like that bad.